Alright guys, we're back to unbox this Land Cruiser LC80 from FMS. This is a 1/18 scale ready to run crawler, officially licensed Toyota Land Cruiser, and can't wait to get this open and see what it's all about. So let's do it. Alright, so looks like I just got a sleeve. Styrofoam, push it out. Nice. Oh wow. That's controller there. Got your channel inputs. Alright. Nice little. This is my first FMS product, so there'll be an adjustment with that controller, and boom, there it is. That is oh, that is cool. So there's your battery. It goes right there. Open the hood. That is that's really cool for, you know, scale. Let's see, it's a 2S 900 milliamp battery, and it does come with the charger as well. And there's servo. It does have portal axles, so pretty good clearance. Ground clearance. We'll take a better closer look at that in a second. Yeah, what else we got here? Oh, that's the charger and little hand tool. Alright. So alright guys, this little thing is pretty impressive. Obviously you got the guy in there, you know, for scale look. You got the interior, but also this is a 2-speed transmission in this, so you got channel 3 here, low, high, and there. Also channel 4. It's got your lights. You got low beams, high beams. You got your 4-way flashers in rear. It's a good amount of the stuff you get for, and considering the price. And turn them off. Yeah, this is a. Yeah, this is going to be real fun out there. Let's get a TRX 4M for comparison. Take a look at this ground clearance. Linkers. There you go. See, big kid, just a big kid. All right, so got the TRX 4M rather for comparison, and I don't know how well you could tell, but get a bit more ground clearance on the Land Cruiser with those portal axles. You know, that's that'll definitely help, you know, with getting over obstacles and stuff, but you know, maybe a little more fragile on the portals, who knows. But so get the battery fully charged and start messing with this thing. This is looks really good. I'll just real quick go over everything you get in the box here, which isn't a whole lot. You get the charger, little hand tool, screwdriver, Allen key. Of course, the battery's already in there. You got the manual, and you got this sticker sheet here. I'm gonna put some stickers on there, but obviously FMS on their site has tons of scale accessories for these things too. Anybody who is familiar with the brand already knows that. Like I said, this is my first one, and I'm definitely gonna be scoping out some of their accessories, trailers and whatnot, but I'm very impressed with what you get for the price right out of the box. I think these are like $179 normally. I got this one on sale around Christmas time. Just so much here for the money. Very impressed with it so far, but now we just gotta get out there and drive it. Alright guys, got it charged up. I'm gonna come out here and do a little driving impression. See what this thing is like to drive on hard ground. Then I got a little comparison test idea to do, and then we'll go do some actual crawling with it. But for the time being, it's in high gear right now. Well, that drag brake set does endos. Yeah, that's a bit aggressive, but alright. Let's put this over low speed. It's a 2-speed transmission. Oh yeah, that's much slower. Yeah, I wanted to come up with a name for this guy. Put in the comments what we should name this guy. Something cool, something basic. I don't know. Comment down below. We're going to name the driver. All right, so I want to do a little comparison here. Put this back in high gear. I've got a stock TRX-4M, all stock, just wheels and tires. And we're going to see what the high-speed gearing is compared to a stock TRX-4M. Then I've got one with crawler gears. See how compare the crawling speed to TRX-4M with crawler gears. All right, so here we go. It's much faster. Much faster. Well, much faster, but it's faster. All right. Now, got one here. This one's got the Endura crawler gears, so geared really low. I'm gonna put this low gear. Low gear. All right. And let's see. So it's even slower than a TRX-4M that's stock with just crawler gears. So that's interesting. So faster than a TRX-4M in high gear, and slower than a TRX-4M with crawler gears and low gear. So you truly get the best of both worlds there. All right, so the last thing to do is stop yapping and just do some crawling. So let's go do that. All right, guys. So I gotta admit, this thing is really cool. From the scale looks of it to everything you just get for the money. I mean, you get portal axles, 2-speed transmission, and it's cool. Yeah, hood pops. You get this guy, so whatever his name's going to be, you know, light kit, you know, installed. You can control right from the remote. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I want to take this out some more. See if I can find some good spots to crawl with it. You know, some of the spots out there earlier today were maybe more tent scale stuff, not a little too much for this guy, but a lot of fun. Really cool. If you're into the scale stuff, this is just a really nice rig. And of course they have a lot of scale accessories to go along with it for the scale builder. So I enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you did, and I will see you guys in the next episode.